Especially while companies are going through an implementation, there's oftentimes test companies or pilot companies that they need to toggle back and forth to change and setups and try things out and run different scenarios through. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your settings to be able to change from one company to another. So again, you're on your Business Central landing page. I'm going to come up here to my gear. I'm going to click on the settings and I'm going to select on my settings. So under company, this is showing me the current company that I'm in, and I can click here. I'm able to see then all of the companies that I am available to see. So again, you can restrict which companies users see with permissions. So right now I can see Kronos, I can see my end-to-end, my intro training, and my company. So if, for example, I needed to go into my intro training company because I wanted to look at something I had seen earlier on, I could do so. I can go ahead and say okay. I'll say okay again. We'll see a little refresh here, and then you'll notice that my landing page will be in the company that I had selected.